Hello and welcome back to my kitchen, and happy 2024 everyone. It is hard to believe we are already kicking off a brand new year, and to start the year off on a good foot, I'll be cooking from the official Witcher cookbook, making the ham and apple sandwiches. The ingredients I'll be using today are 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, a half a teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of horseradish, 2 cornichons that I've gone ahead and minced up, a pinch of salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of wildflower honey, a teaspoon of butter, 1 tart apple, 4 slices of ham, 4 slices of sharp cheddar cheese, and 2 whole grain rolls. Though it would be better if you could find round ones. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to, so I will make these work. To get started, I'll move this over to the side, and I want to start by making the sandwich spread. Starting off with my mayonnaise, I'll add in the mustard and the horseradish, the 2 cornichons, and the salt and pepper. And then this gets stirred together and placed into the refrigerator for about a half an hour, just to allow these flavors to marry together. In a skillet on medium heat, I've gone ahead and melted the butter, to which I'm going to add in 6 apple slices, and allow these to cook for about a minute or so on each side. After a minute, these get flipped over and cooked for an additional 1 minute. After that additional minute, it's time to drizzle a little bit of the honey across the top of these. Once they're flipped and coated in the honey, allow them to cook for an additional minute before flipping them again. Once the honey starts becoming sticky on your apples, go ahead and turn off your heat and place 2 slices of the sharp cheddar cheese right on top of both piles of your apple slices, and this will get covered with the lid and removed from the heat and allowed to set for about 2 minutes, just so that cheese can get melted. To assemble the sandwich, start by slathering a good amount of the dressing on the bottom. Next on go the cheesy apple slices, followed by the slices of ham. And then both sandwiches get topped off with just a little bit more of our sandwich spread. That's all there is to making the open ham and apple sandwiches from the Witcher cookbook. Let me go ahead and get one of these plated up, and I'll try it out and see what I think about it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive in and see what this thing tastes like. It looks good. I like how the apple is kind of caramelized a little bit, and that cheese is going to be so good with this horseradish dressing. This is an incredibly well-balanced sandwich. The apple and cheddar, one of my favorite combinations. Heating it up just a little bit, and then that honey kind of help balance out a little bit of the tartness from the apple. It goes really well with the ham, and the sauce is very well balanced. The horseradish and mustard aren't too strong. It's just a very nice subtle heat. Overall, it all goes really well together. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you guys have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I'm Girl. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and hope I'll see you in the next one.